MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct sanitization in Pottstown, PA, helping improve indoor air quality and create a healthier environment for your home or business. Over time, duct systems can harbor dust, bacteria, mold spores, allergens, and other contaminants that circulate through your HVAC system. Our experienced technicians use effective sanitization methods to help eliminate harmful pollutants and reduce odors within your ductwork. Duct sanitization can complement regular duct cleaning by promoting cleaner, fresher air throughout your property. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable duct sanitization in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy improved indoor comfort and air quality year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a duct sanitization near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides duct sanitization in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct sanitization in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to improve indoor air quality and create a cleaner HVAC environment. What is duct sanitization? Duct sanitization is a process that helps reduce bacteria, mold spores, odors, and other contaminants within your HVAC ductwork. What is your duct sanitization in Pottstown, PA? Our duct sanitization has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.